At this point we are going to be working on the fins, shaping the fins to the most aerodynamic shape that we would like to use. Now in my demonstration I will keep it brief, so I won't be showing you more than just showing how to trim or cut away, extrude these sides that you see on the fins. So as you can see, that is now extrusion number, well, that one was the extrusion number 3, so I did that a little bit earlier than in the sample that I'm using right now. So if I look at extrusion number 3, all I did was cut out that side, and then I used the pattern feature, the circular pattern feature, to cut the other ones out as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start that right now using the sample that I have right here. So I'm going to go to one of the sides right here. We'll start. I can flatten that side. Okay. Start a 2D sketch right on top of that side. Use the line tool and connect from here down to the corner, and then up, and then over. So that's the extruded piece that I'd like to remove. Finish the sketch. I can click and drag the cube a little bit, and then extrude. We're going to cut distance all the way through and hit OK. Now you see I made a mistake there. You see, zooming in, I can see that that was a problem. So can I fix this? Of course. Let's go right click on extrusion, edit the sketch, and as you can see, I'm going to have to drag this up and connect it. And I'm hoping that that can connect to where it needs to be without me having to start the drawing over again. Finish the sketch. Yeah, and there it goes. It fixed itself, well, with a little help by me. Now from here, I'd like to rotate back to this view, and I'm going to go to the circle pattern tool, circular pattern, and I'm going to select just that part that I cut away. That's the feature. I select just that feature that I did right there. Then I'm going to go with the axis. So I can use this cylinder, even though there's an axis in between. That would be considered the z-axis, as you can see right here. And as you can see, what I did is I moved this all the way around, and it will cut anywhere there are additional fins. But I only have 3 in my placement, so all I have to do is set it for 3 and hit OK, and it trimmed the other 2. Okay. So let me just delete that real quick and show you once more how that works. So we need to go to the circular pattern tool, click on the feature itself, that part right there, okay, and then I need to click on the axis, select the placement of 3, hit OK, and there you go. There is our finished result up to this point, and this is the base of the model of the rocket itself. The next video will show you how to create the top of the rocket, which is the nose cone, and then there will be one last video for the engine. That is it.